Jersey. Northwestern Canton County. Northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey. South central Knox County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 2:15 p.m. At 10:15 a.m., emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain. 1 to 2 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected. Long health drive near Allentown has been reported. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: emergency management reported. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Woodbury, Riverside, Palmyra, and Fort Lauderdale. People attending Lemon Hill should seek shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 28. Interstate 200 between mile markers 0 and 10. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 4 and 38. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 600 between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Turn around. Most flight apps securing vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not